What's up, guys? Here we are at Blizzard Beach. We're going to show you around because for some reason Disney keeps closing this on us. They used to have two water parks open at one time in the summer, but here it is the beginning of March, and they're going to close it and open Typhoon Lagoon next week. So we're going to hit this up, show you around. It's only 71 degrees out right now, so we're doing this all for you guys. This is not our kind of weather.
All right, we'll see you on the
See you
inside. One-day water park ticket is $74 for adults, age 10 plus, and age 3 to 9 is 68. So we are heading inside again like it is March. We would normally not be here this time of year. However, we wanted to come before it closes on Saturday. Right up there to the left next to First Aid is the potty spot for the dogs at Blizzard Beach.
Everybody needs to petition Disney and tell them to open both water parks at one time. Okay, 9,000 degrees in the summer, and we have to pick one water park. And then the second problem with the water park is you have to go to downtown Disney when you take a bus from the resort. That's ridiculous. So Carrie has never been here, and he's going to be like a test dummy.
A test dummy, all right.
Yeah, something like that.
You gotta take the ski lift up and then climb the stairs.
Yeah.
How are you feeling today? First time at Blizzard Beach.
It's interesting. I don't know. We'll see. We haven't really gone much farther than the gift shop and the food court. We just hit the bathroom, so.
All right. Dad,
Yeah.
how you feeling?
I'm feeling a little annoyed that I won't be able to go on anything today. So,
True.
I haven't been to Blizzard Beach in probably 2 years because of Disney's ridiculous schedule with the park. We won't talk about that anymore. And now I'm here. I can't go on anything. So I'll probably have to go on next year when they reopen it. Hopefully I'm good to go.
Mom, how you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm very happy that you and Carrie are going to take one for the team and go on all the water rides and have some races, toboggan slides, and have some fun. I'm going to just walk around with Dad and Kaylee. We're not sure if she's going to go in yet. She's in the sweatsuit, so we'll see if she's going to join in and go on some rides too.
How you feeling?
Probably not.
Come on.
I'm feeling cold.
You and Carrie need to do those racing ones.
Absolutely not, Kira. Don't even start. I'm not doing it. I think Kaylee may get in. We'll see.
Okay.
So the bright side is it's sunny and it's warming up.
I'm not going.
Not that bad. This thing's filming, just saying.
Alrighty. You can't take this thing down? Oh,
No.
because
It
you're
only
going-
goes up.
You say the ride anyway.
Yeah, that I realized.
That's
that.
the big slide.
They're fun.
The commentary that we used to do. Look, those were the back when we were younger. Those ice cubes. We used to go and play them all the
That's
time.
what we're going on.
Okay. Well, this one, it it doesn't look as big probably until you're on top, but I'm probably gonna save it for another day because
scary.
yeah, on a hotter day. I don't know. It's just
Looks scary.
Okay.
yeah.
That's the thing doesn't even start from higher up. Crazy, right? You're a person Look how tall it is. That's the other one.
think saves us some time from walking up the stairs.
They're off.
Oliver's never been here. First time.
His tail is wagging, so
He
he's
likes this
seeming
place.
he's seeming like, oh, do I get to go in this water?
I wish he could. They should have some place for him to go in.
A dog pool? Yeah,
Yeah, they should.
I agree, but they probably definitely won't have that.
Oh, no, definitely not, but they really should.
They're just sitting.
The thing's going awfully slow for some reason.
Yeah, it is. I don't know why. There they are. You can see the 3 of them right there. So you can rent these little patio cabana things here. There's different sizes of them. That's interesting. There's the lazy river, which you could take across the and around the park. There's different areas to get on, different stops throughout.
We should wait right here to see them come out.
Oh, yeah, let's do that.
Good spot.
Absolutely. Do you think we could just move that for a second?
I think we'll just hang out right here, because actually, right here is even better, I think. What do you think?
This is the exit of the family raft ride. This is where you come off of the family raft ride. There's nobody currently coming. You can see it's all the way up there. It holds, I think like 6 people.
This is the best water slide in Walt Disney World.
That's right. Gonna sit here. Kaylee, actually, do you want to film since you're in a better spot? It's already going.
Make sure you guys are holding on to the bottle handles.
I don't want to film. You should make Terry do it.
What?
What? Oh, it's not that bad. Oh my god. No, it's not that bad.
Oh, shoot!
It's kind of more. Watch the profanity, y'all. Just saying. I want no profanity. It's cold. It's not that bad.
It's a little bit.
Not that bad.
No, I'm gonna get smoked by. My butt is cold. Ah! We're back. Alright.
It's not that bad. This is terrible. It's freezing.
Whoa!
Oh no. Oh
Ah! What? What?
no. Do you not know?
No, I don't know. Tell me.
This is funny. Oh no. Oh no. Don't spin. Don't keep spinning. Don't keep spinning. Looks like it's gonna be you or Terry. No. It's Terry. Terry. Watch your hands. Watch your elbows.
There they are. Woo!
I wonder if they do that so they don't get as wet. I don't know.
Oh, maybe. Doesn't look like they got all that wet.
Hey, Kara's hair looks dry. How was it? How was it?
Can't hear them.
Louder.
It's like this. The water current is slow for some reason.
It's not. It wasn't like as whippy as it normally is.
It's not that cold.
That's because they don't want you getting
No,
wet, I think.
not cold.
It's fine.
Heated?
It's a little cold here.
You don't have to carry them up anymore? Holy moly.
That is awesome.
New edition brings the tubes all the way to the top.
That is awesome. Now we won't get us tired going up there.
That's the
Just
only
walk up now, I guess, and grab it at the top. That's great.
awesome.
Have fun.
All right, which
Very
slope?
fun.
This is
Ollie's gonna walk in the water.
all right.
See how you
I
jumped.
don't know.
All right, have fun.
Peace out. We'll see you.
That is awesome. So you used to have to carry those tubes up to the top. So that used to eliminate a lot of times we would go up there, because after going up the stairs about 3 times, we'd be exhausted carrying the tubes for us and the kids. So, well, when they were little anyway. And yeah, that is a huge, great addition behind my head there. You could see it's pretty awesome. So anyway, let's see some people coming down the slide.
Where are we going?
So I think,
We should do the farthest walk first.
yeah, we could do this one. So there's 3 different ones. 2 open, 1 enclosed.
Oh,
Could do the middle one's enclosed. You want to do that one first?
this one?
Middle.
Oh, wait. Oh, I'm sorry.
This is great. I wish the weather was a little bit warmer for me, but I'm kind of carrying everybody's stuff here. John's got his injury, so he can't go on anything. It's Ollie's first visit, and he would love to be in the water.
Alright guys, we're in the enclosed one. Probably can't hear me, but it's warm in here.
Oh, there's Kira.
Yeah. Here's him screaming.
Is he screaming?
I think so. In style over here. That was funny.
How was that one? Which was the best one, Carrie?
The close one. The first one you went on.
The enclosed? What was your favorite?
Middle one.
Middle?
Enclosed.
You really should have a section over there. A little bit away.
So Kira and Carrie are doing this race. So they're just heading up now. So we'll see who wins. There's Kira won. 721, 783 for Carrie.
That's funny.
Where's Kira?
She got off the other side.
You got off already?
Yeah. She got
right
off
there.
the other. She's right there.
I didn't even see her.
Is that Carrie edging up there? Yeah, I thought so.
Carrie.
Oh, he's like in about to sprint pose. Oh,
Yeah.
I do the same thing. I put my feet right on it.
look at him! Look at him!
Is he first? Oh yeah, hell yeah he is. Kira's second.
Job, Daisy. You took that job.
Oh my God, Kira won.
Is it farthest or what?
No,
You
I
like
think
that
it's
one?
the first one down. Golly, who's coming?
Mommy's going next.
So you actually won, Carrie, because you got down first.
Barely won though. Really?
You gave him pointers.
I'm lifted up top and
Are y'all going again? Or you going?
Bam. It doesn't look too bad from here, but we'll see when we get there.
He's on the thing by himself. Carrie's a good sport. He's going to try this small slide here. We'll save the Summit Plummet for another video. Have to say, me, John, and the girls won't ever go on that one. Lots of brave people out there, but that's way too steep for our liking. But Carrie said next time when the park reopens, we'll go on that. He'll do that one. He's just going to try this small one today.
The ending, dang. That last little bump kind of like throws you, it looks like, so we'll see. Screw it, right? Just, I mean, if I was really screwing it, I'd go on this one right here, but yeah, I'm not gonna do that today. Not gonna do that today. Overall experience with Blizzard Beach, it's pretty good, honestly. We didn't do this. This is like more for the kids. You got those little slides right there where we were talking about the icebergs, the zip line over there. But everything else, I mean, you got the races. I mean, Kira did twice. She won one, I won one. What else? So you got those. You got the toboggan races with the purple pad. You got those 3 slides, 1 enclosed, 2 open, which the enclosed one was amazing. You got this giant thing right here, the one I'm going on right now. You got 3 other kind of small slides like this near the purple slide, which those are the ones we didn't go on that I was talking about. What else? I'm trying to think. Oh, there's that wave pool. We didn't get in the wave pool. Maybe we'll show you it. Maybe John and Sarah took a video of it. We'll see. But it's not as good. Well, from what I heard, it's not as good as Typhoon because they don't have the big wave. It's kind of just like little weak ones, you know. We are almost to the top, so it's a nice day today, though. Overall, it's a nice day. And this little ski lift is nice, especially when we were walking up over and over for the races, and then those 3, two open, 1 enclosed, and we're coming up to. All right.
How was it?
I didn't see most of it right, but it was fun. I was trying to open my eyes, just getting pelted.
Was it good?
It was good. It was good.
So that one another time?
Yeah, another time. What's he doing on it?
I was planning on going on it in the summer.
Oh my gosh, you can't see a thing though.
Really? It
I don't
just
know what the camera saw. I really don't. Did you put it like this? Yeah.
Did it hurt your back? Or not really? Did it just go too
I
fast?
I had my back up a little bit, and then when you hit those bumps and go out, you're basically like not even touching it but your feet. And then you land back down and then you keep going. Same thing.
I was surprised they let you go up on the chairlift by yourself. Was there nobody else?
No one was behind me, yeah.
Oh,
I thought
cool.
they were going to put me with the people in front of me.
Nice. All right.
Yeah. All right.
It's like in water stuff, and then it's like.
Oh, the wave pool. I guess it's actually called Melt Away Bay. I didn't know that.
Didn't know that either.
Okay.
I kind of like the looks of this one better.
Yeah, but it's not the. It's,
Slow it down.
Water places everywhere, huh? One more here. Yeah. Well, somewhere there's a fun cool kids area too. Not yet. Do you want to go in the wave pool first?
the kids section is down there.
Yeah, we found the little types one.
Oh,
I think there's a bigger one. Is it
it's right behind it. They're right next to each other.
Thanks so much.
No problem. Not too many people in the wave pool today. See, what I don't like about this wave pool, it's just too much waves. Like too rough. Those donuts are humongous.
The frozen polar paradise, we have to try that.
So we have ski patrol, training camp. This is a section for the little kids. So this is probably for the a little bit older kids. They do have a different section over there for the really little ones. But this is got a lot of nice little slides here. So you grab your tube, you walk up the side there. Come on down these little slides. Somebody comes out. Over here they have the icebergs behind these bushes. Let me get a better shot. So you get in line here at this little yellow mat. You grab the rope and the icebergs float. So you go across them to get to the other side. Some people fall in, some people manage to stay on. Fun for the kids. It's a great shot here. You could see of the gondola going, or the chair swing, whatever they call them here. I call it a gondola. Getting up to the top. Nice view. Sorry, honey. This is a little bit shorter iceberg slide. Then you have the center there, and then another spot over there. What is this thing called again? I forget. Oh, Fahrenheit drop zip line. Let's see. What's going on?
So we got our passion fruit strawberry slushie, and it's supposed to have boba on the top, and it doesn't.
What the heck? The little boba pearls?
They're
on there. I don't know if he didn't have any or just was being stingy, but you want to try it? No.
Yeah, I'll taste it. Give it to me. What? It's missing the pearls as they were talking about,
And he
but
didn't fill it up all the way either.
Yeah, I was just
she
looking.
was sipping it on the way here, so don't let her fool you. Go.
What?
It's thick. I need to mix it around. Kind of tastes like a.
Good.
Is it good?
It's very good. You want to try?
It's pretty good. It tastes like a passion fruit strawberry smoothie, pretty much.
More of a slushy.
Slushy?
It's good. Want to try it?
To me, a slushy and a smoothie is the exact same thing.
No, it
Pretty
has
much.
ice in it. It's good, right?
Pretty awesome. Very refreshing. Almost tastes a little bit like a lemonade in there.
Yeah. So that's over. It's over at the Joffrey stand right by the wave pool in Blizzard Beach. Pretty good. Very good.
Definitely recommend.
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
I wouldn't say 10 out of 10. I'd probably give it a 7. It might have been a 10 with those boba.
Oh, that's true, because it did get shafted on that.
Want to try that?
So what'd you think of the day here today, guys?
It was nice. I thought it was good. It was good. Too bad I can't go on anything.
Ollie enjoyed it. He had a good day.
Oliver's ready to go to a park.
To a park,
Like non-water park.
for sure. This is so adorable. Yeah. Olaf in the center. Got Frozen. I can't get a front view, otherwise I'd have to be standing in the water, but it's adorable. If you have really little ones, this is the place to be. And a giant sandbox over here. They're digging a china. And that would be my family up there. Hey guys, thanks for spending the day at Blizzard Beach with us. We had a great day. Carrie and Kira got on a bunch of rides. We had a nice lunch, and the weather was beautiful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and we'll see you next time.